No matter if you're a professional sportsman, YouTube content creator, vlogger, or paparazzi, the two most things you don't want to miss are stunning scenarios and great sound quality. Well, with your GoPro, you can ensure run-and-gun shooting since it offers amazing features and specs. However, this action cam doesn't do a great job when it comes to sound recording, and this is why compatible microphones become handy. These external mics feature switchable sensitivity, ambient noise filtering, portability, and everything in between that lets you record a clean audio. So, here we have got the 5 best microphones for GoPro, and with that being said, let's dive in.
At AudioZone, our mission is to help audio fanatics make the right buying decision. We are a team of audiophiles who spend countless times testing out gadgets to make informative tutorials, in-depth reviews, and make your buying decision simple and effective.
While recording interviews or vlogs from your GoPro, let your voice be heard with the Joby-WavoMic Mobile, a compact yet lightweight microphone that's an ideal extension for content creators. With a simple plug-and-play feature, it will be ready in seconds and you're good to go, allowing you to get the perfect audio for your every video production such as vlogging and YouTube streaming. You can raise your voice even if you're in the middle of the crowd, all thanks to the supercardioid polar pattern that focuses on your voice or whoever is in front of the microphone. Its Rycott shock mount with shock isolation technology makes sound crisp and clear without capturing any unwanted noises. It features a universal and secure cold shoe mount for easy and quick placement, making sure you can start recording right on time. All in all, being rugged and lightweight, the Joby-WavoMic mobile microphone can wear every impact easily while ensuring you can record your content without any interruption. Record unexpected scenarios without worrying about poor battery life with the Sennheiser MKE400 mini shotgun. That offers extended battery life with switchable sensitivity to ensure nothing can stop you. It's compact in design for easy portability, and the rugged exterior enables you to take a chill pill no matter whatever you encounter during vlogging, ensuring your mic stays nice and tidy. From your GoPro to DSLR, mirrorless camera, or any other recording gun, it's compatible with most of the shooting devices, ensuring you can rely on it blindly. It is well optimized for any type of video recordings while rejecting surround noises to the maximum level, and up to 100 hours of operating time will leave your jaw open. Moreover, the switchable sensitivity allows you to record sound with absolute precision from close distances or faraway sources. Plus, its switchable noise filter and integral shock mount rejects handling noises. So when you're walking or moving, your mic records only your voice and nothing else. Overall, due to the expensive price tag, the Sennheiser MKE400 is hard to recommend, but considering all of its specs, it's ideal for every mid or professional GoPro content creators. What could be better than GoPro's official accessories for your GoPro Hero 9 or Hero 10? Well, with that in mind, let us introduce the Mediamod, a fantastic microphone that features minimal design with a good value. It wraps around the body of your GoPro and includes a built-in directional mic and a 3.5mm mic port. Overall, it's a great choice for those who are looking to add external mic capabilities on the GoPro. With several additional features, the Mediamod can literally turn your GoPro into a production powerhouse. Its microphone delivers crystal clear audio and also reduces wind and ambient noises. Beyond that, its tough and weather-resistant construction withstands the elements, making it great for skydivers, skiers, and road rush video creators. At the same time, 2 cold shoe mounts let you attach your favorite lights, mics, or LCD screens without any fuss. Since it has a USB-C port, without any additional adapter, you can directly connect your GoPro 9 to your laptop or PC for transferring recording data lightning fast. To conclude, under $80, the Mediamod GoPro microphone is hard to ignore and ensures your investment stays safe from elements, and you can record stunning videos that you've been pursuing for decades. Transform your audio the way you want it with the Movo VXR10. that features durable construction with batteryless design to deliver extraordinary audio for your video. It comes with both shock mount and furry windscreen that minimizes handling and ambient noises impressively, while the mic delivers crystal clear audio production. Plus, the cardioid polar pattern did a great job by minimizing background noise for clear audio, which becomes really helpful when you're in the middle of a crowd. The durable aluminum construction gives you total peace of mind, and as it doesn't require any batteries to operate, you can cut to the chase of carrying extra batteries or power banks for your YouTube video streaming, vlogs, and others. Along with GoPro, it's also compatible with a vast amount of cameras, camcorders, smartphones, and many more. Moreover, to keep things organized and near to you, it also comes with a travel pouch. In summary, if you're looking for an ultra-lightweight mic for your GoPro that doesn't require any batteries to operate, the VX10 from Movo is the ideal option to choose. Coming to the final product, we've got the Rode Wireless Go Mark II, a super easy to use wireless microphone system that's well known for its excellent portability and recording quality. You can say goodbye to this pesky clutter of bulky wires since it features a wireless design in a compact form factor, making it absolutely perfect device for interviews, travelers, and food bloggers. It also makes this GoPro compatible microphone completely portable, so you're guaranteed smooth audio capture from literally anywhere, and when your audio or video production is done, you can magically keep it into your pocket or backpack for easy transportation. With the built-in rechargeable batteries, you'll get extended time for recording a whole interview or food review with a single charge. And if the battery runs low, you can quickly give it some juice for uninterrupted recording. Moreover, it gives you versatility to switch between stereo or dual mono recording, and up to 200 meters of transmission range ensures your audience never miss any speech. So, considering all the added benefits, specs, and features, we can surely say that the Rode Wireless Go Mark II is the overall best microphone for your GoPro. So, these were the 5 best microphones for GoPro. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this.